there's 3 children that came to our emergency room. It was a group of 3 years of age, and they're all the 3 that we received. 2 of them are healthy children right now, and that one of them we've given already his departure from the emerge. There's another one that we're observing and who's in good state. The 3rd patient is a bit more in a critical situation, although she's stable, and she's being investigated right now with our trauma team. Partially conscious, yes, but we're investigating right now.
How did she sustain her injuries?
She was actually one of the victims that was trapped under the car that hit the wall of the garderie.
And do you know, were the children having a nap at the time?
I have no idea what was happening at the time. The child who's injured more significantly has facial injuries. We're not sure at the moment. She's in fact in the scan right now as we speak, being investigated to see if she has any more, deeper injuries. It's a dramatic situation, and we are surprised that there wasn't any. But I don't know, in fact, the other injuries, and there was other children that may have been sent elsewhere. Although we apparently received one of the sicker children, so it is surprising, but we're thank God,
Yeah. So right now